to learn how to simplify the fraction 12 over 23. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of the numerator and denominator. To find the GCD, we first need to list out the factors of both numbers. Let's start with 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, for 23, the factors are only 1 and 23 itself. This is because 23 is a prime number. Now, to find the greatest common divisor, we need to look at the common factors between 12 and 23. As we can see, the only common factor between these two numbers is 1. To simplify a fraction, we divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor. In this case, we're dividing by 1, which doesn't change the fraction at all. Therefore, the fraction 12 over 23 is already in its simplest form. It cannot be reduced any further. It's worth noting that this fraction couldn't be simplified because 23 is a prime number. Prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and themselves, which often leads to fractions that can't be simplified when they're in the denominator. To recap, when simplifying fractions, we follow these steps. First, find the factors of both the numerator and denominator. Then, identify the greatest common divisor. Finally, divide both the numerator and denominator by this GCD. If the GCD is 1, the fraction is already in its simplest form. And that's how we determine that 12 over 23 is already in its simplest form